Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing fine. Welcome back once again. This is 𝒐𝒏𝒕𝒂𝒄𝒕 and I have a big announcement today because today I'm going to start my new journey because I want to learn English. Again, I want to repeat the sentence. I want to learn English. I'm not a professional English speaker, but definitely in the long run, I want to be a professional English speaker. That's why I'm thinking that if I don't go through a strong process, I cannot learn English. That's why I took this decision and I decided that I will create a playlist and I will upload my journey in this playlist. So my playlist name will be my English learning journey. So if you are interested to start my journey, to start with me your journey too, you can start by easily because I will share with you my daily uh, progress or daily activity with you because uh, I want to see that within 2 or 3 months how much I can improve or how much I can progress, make myself or make the progress actually. So I want to see this. So if I can learn or I can achieve my goal, that means this way very will be very effective, and I will share with you my every single steps. Definitely every day I will try to share with you my step or my daily activity because I want to cover the different type of topic in uh, in the different day. So today I don't have any task. I just I'm recording for demo, but tomorrow I will make video with a topic. So I'm not decided the topic right now, but I will share with you tomorrow. Okay. So if you are want to improve your English or interested to learn English, you can start like this. Because if you make video, if you complete one topic, that means you will feel that you are confident. Because when you complete one or two, let's say if I would say that is, if you complete 30 days sessions or 30 days topic, different type of topic, that means you will learn so many things, and you will feel that you are more confident persons. And that's why I have taken these decisions. So definitely I will make every day at least one video with a different topic, and I will upload on my Facebook page and YouTube channel. And after 1 or 2 months later, I will track myself, or I will review myself, or I will monitoring myself that I am improving or not. Definitely I will be improved because you actually might be thinking that why I don't use in my video in any Bangla word. Sometimes I feel that I feel nervous, or my brain could not find out the word or the um, actually the valuable sentence, but uh, I don't want to use any Bangla word because I'm learning English. So if I use Bangla, so my brain not will be sharp, my brain not will be trained like this. So that's why I don't want to use any Bangla word. I just always want to English word or English sentence. I'm making so many mistakes, I know that, but after a few days later or 1 or 2 months later, I will fix all my problems. I want to just first of all I just want to build my confidence on. I want to get the fluency. After, if I can get the fluency, that means after fluency I will focus on my mistakes or my correct sentence. So the before get the fluency, I just want to uh, make the fluency is my ultimate goal. Or I know that speaking is just practicing. That's why I am ready to practice my English. So that's why I have no topic today. That's why I don't want to discuss with any topic. I just want to share with you my opinion on why I interested to learn English. Actually, you all know, actually everybody knows that today's world is upgrading and growing so fast. If I don't know or if I can't learn English language, I cannot achieve my goal, or I cannot be better any situation or any place. So that's why I chose these decisions, or I repeat this my opinion, that is I will create a playlist on my YouTube channel, and every day I will try to make a video and I will try to upload under the playlist. If you are interested, you can check out my playlist. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you next time.